Ang perfect merienda this summer for me is this delicious, cheesy, and creamy spinach pizza wrap from Greenwich. Instant hit ito parate sa whole family because it's yummy, easy to eat, siksik sa laman, and best of all, affordable. Only 99 pesos. Hindi lang tigigisa, tigdadalawa kami nitong Greenwich pizza wrap kasi we also try the other flavors. O diba, super sulit, ang sarap, super cheesy, super creamy, and spinach filled. They also have this Hawaiian flavor which is very classic kaya gustong-gusto ng kids ko. I like the crispy edges and it's saucy and malaman on the inside. Yung dapat na bonding namin outside, napalitan ng pizza wrap bonding at home kasi sobrang init sa labas. Aside sa creamy spinach, my next favorite is this chorizo pepperoni. This is spicy, saucy, and cheesy too. At syempre, ever since nung na-try namin itong roast beef pizza rice bake, constant order na namin to sa Greenwich. This is so yummy for only 79 pesos. Busog na busog ka na. Savory and tender beef na may sweetness from the onions. At best of all, topped pa with mozzarella cheese. At syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang favorite namin na lasagna supreme solo. Classic dish na to ng Greenwich and hindi rin mawawala to sa order ko whenever I go there. I love this meaty and creamy lasagna. Plus, meron pa siyang masarap na garlic bread na pwedeng i-dip sa lasagna sauce para masatisfy ang cravings this summer. Super easy to order, available on all Greenwich stores, website and hotline, Grab and Food Panda.